Hello, I'm going to take you through the Study in the UK section of the pre-departure briefing. Creating a safe environment. All UK universities are working hard to create a safe environment and to give international students a warm welcome. They have procedures in place to keep staff, students and communities safe. The UK government has introduced restrictions to manage the outbreak of COVID-19. You can find information and guidance around this in a number of places, from your university, Commonwealth Scholarships Commission website, the Study UK website, the UKISA website. We also list below the 4 government websites for England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. The guidance varies across the 4 nations, and these websites are a good source of information for the latest information. Teaching. The UK's 162 education institutions are all held to strict standards by the government, and that's the case whether teaching takes place face-to-face or online. Many courses will be taught through a mix of online and face-to-face methods, and this is known as blended learning. Universities are providing flexible options to international students depending on the current situation. This may involve some aspects of study online or facilitating slightly later start dates. For full information, please check your university or institution's website, as plans may change depending on the current public health advice. Student wellbeing. The health and well-being of international students is our #1 priority. UK universities are working to ensure that you are safe and supported. A programme of mental health support for students during COVID-19 has been created by Student Minds, who are the UK's mental health charity for students. In addition, individual universities have put in place a package of support for all their students. This could range from counselling services around a number of areas, including mental health. It could be a range of meet and greet services for when international students arrive. It could be around areas in which they can support students to keep active and to continue to socialise safely during these difficult times. Please do reach out to your universities for specific information on what measures are in place and how they plan to welcome and support you. UK government has provided COVID-19 guidance for the cleaning of non-healthcare settings, and this covers student accommodation and other spaces within the community. Again, if you have any questions around this area of keeping safe, please do reach out to your university. The CSC has resources to help students on the Student Wellbeing section of the website. You can contact this email address for further assistance: welfare@cscuk.org.uk. If any international students are struggling, or you have any concerns at all around your health, your well-being, your mental health, please do reach out for support. Speak in the first instance to those who are closest to you, and reach out to the University Student Support Services, who are there to help you. Feeling safe and living free from abuse. In the UK, it is against the law to discriminate, harass or victimise someone because they have or are perceived to have a protected characteristic, or are associated with someone who has a protected characteristic. In the UK, the protected characteristics are age, disability, gender reassignment, marriage and civil partnership, pregnancy and maternity, race, religion or belief, sex and sexual orientation. On this slide are some examples of discrimination. For example, subjecting someone to verbal harassment on the basis of their religion. If you experience discrimination whilst you're in the UK, your university will have procedures in place to help you with this, from offering emotional support, practical advice, particularly if you wish to make a formal complaint. There is also information available on the CSE website, and you can get more information around the Equality Act by following the link that's on this slide. Financial scams. We have found that during the pandemic, there has unfortunately been an increase in the number of scams across a wide range of areas, and we wanted to bring this to your attention. In particular, there has been an increase in the number of financial scams, and some criminals specifically target international students, contacting them and pretending to be from a legitimate organisation. They may demand money, or they may trick you into giving money and claim that if you do not pay quickly, there will be damaging consequences. We would ask you to think very carefully if you're involved in this type of situation, and just pause before you provide information. Do not give out personal information, and do not confirm that any information someone holds with you is correct until you are confident that this is a valid request. Do not make any payment, again, until you are confident that this is a valid request. If you have any doubts, please do reach out to your contacts at the university or to your peers and colleagues. And for more information, we've provided some links on this website which you may find helpful.